This video is going to be about replacing the passenger side mirror on a 7th gen Honda Accord. This is indeed my Honda Accord, and no, it wasn't I who broke the mirror. The mirror was broken by a shitty excuse for a human being who tried to steal my mirror, but instead broke it in the process of trying to steal it and ran off empty-handed. The would-be theft, resulting in vandalism, happened in Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York City. Word to the wise: avoid parking your car on the streets of Coney Island. I'll demonstrate how not only the visibility but the movement and movement range of the mirror was messed up. Now, on with the repair/replacement of the mirror. This new mirror is not OEM, however it's about as close and quality as it gets for aftermarket mirrors. I did quite a bit of research and comparing before purchasing this one. As you can see, there's some crud in the housing and corrosion on the hinge. I'll start by removing the bulk of the debris with a paper towel. Next, I'll follow up with a vacuum cleaner. Then apply some WD-40 to that corroded hinge. And then flex the hinge several times to really work in that WD-40. Use the car's controls to move the mechanism to a neutral middle position for optimal ease with installing the new mirror. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the new and old mirrors. Align the mirror and with some force it should snap into place. I recommend pushing on it through something soft like a cloth, both for your safety and the safety of the mirror. And now to test it. Overall, I'm satisfied with the quality of the replacement mirror and the restored functionality of the entire mirror assembly considering the damages it incurred.